intelligent ontology interface for database. The reason why we chose this project is whenever we try to merge two different databases which are having similar structures, it includes a lot of human effort and confusion. So to reduce the overhead, it is always a best solution to create an interface which consists of all the mapping information. Present approaches is to create a ER diagram for a database and create its relevant mapping information. Our approach takes in ontologies, finds its similar patterns and creates a lookup table. For this project we have chosen university domain for two different university databases and try finding its similar elements and map it. For the web interface we have taken authentication, search by ontologies, classes and individuals. This is the system overview where the databases are taken and its relevant ontologies are created and given into our application, which creates a lookup table. For the architecture, these ontologies are fed into compare engine and the request and response are handled by client and server. This is the core part of our project where we have divided our compare engine into 6 modules like the property matching techniques, property association techniques, decision box, etc. The decision box is the final place where the decision is taken place based on the property trigger. This is our ontology which has a hierarchical structure like university, school, department and so on, and its relevant individuals are given. Now let's see the project demo. First I enter my credentials into login page. This is our home page where you can see compare ontologies, compare classes, compare individuals. Let's go into key features. What you see here is 4 text boxes in which the top 2 are the similar classes, the bottom ones are the similar individuals. Now let's import the ontologies, University 1 and University 2 and try comparing them. What we see here is 2 different ontologies creating similar patterns like similar classes in the top and similar individuals at the bottom. Now let's compare it for classes. Importing ontologies and comparing them. The bottom one gives the dissimilar classes. Now you can see the top 2 having the same classes, but the bottom ones having different classes. Now let's compare individuals and importing ontologies and comparing them. The top one gives the similar individuals and the bottom ones gives the dissimilar individuals. These are our key features of the project, and here we can import ontologies and also import RDFs. We have also created a user registration page where user gives him his credentials, which are fed into a log file. And that ends our demo. The significance for this project is it creates a new dimension to data mapping and connection between databases, elaborating the horizon of ontologies by creating customizable search options for various databases. This will drastically reduce the workload of migrations of databases and gives a good view for connecting databases. We developed an interface that works good for a university domain, but still we can develop an interface that works well with any kind of ontologies and not specific to any domain, integrating search capabilities and making a dynamic mapping interface which would support other domains. These are our future goals. A special thanks to Department of Computer Science at UMKC and Dr. Lee and teaching assistant Saurish Gupta. Thank you.